Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Redmi 12R. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now in the top search find Notify Buddy, install it. When it's ready you'll be able to open this app. Move to the next step and here grant 3 different permissions for the app. Now last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. And from here our app is ready. We can see 4 different tabs below. User, active, user, system, active and the settings. In user you can activate any apps and allow them for a custom LED lamp notification. Here in the system you can do the same thing but with all system bound apps. In active there's all the apps that we've just activated, and in the settings we can customize our LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or a color. Click on the test button and you should be able to find the LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.